absolutely. And the other thing we focus on too is we have 4 pillars in our business. So performance, engagement, compliance, and satisfaction. Okay. And so when we go out to do these meetings, one thing we do is we have like it's like a scale of 1 to 5. And in each area, we have a few key points. And we ask them to assess themselves. And then on our side, we assess them as well. And then we meet and we discuss it. And we say, okay, how do you think you're doing? And here's how we see you're doing. And most of the time, some of it is subjective, but a lot of times you can also bring in the metrics and the actual data. And so that also speaks to it as well, because sometimes, and I love this, and I say it all the time, perception is not always reality. Because sometimes you have a franchisee who really thinks they're doing well, and maybe in their minds they are. But when you look at the data and you look at really the key metrics of how they're performing, they're really not performing that well. Right. You know, so all these things I think help to change that conversation to make it positive and make them kind of take a step back and look at themselves, do some self-reflection. So then it's them seeing the bigger picture and not us saying, hey, you know, you're not doing this. It's like, okay, here, just look at the information and you assess how you're doing.